Welcome to Rashda Basic Hairstyles. Here's my final result. Soft, bouncy, heatless curls that last. Now let me show you how I create these curls using socks. First, I apply a light mist of leave-in conditioner all over my hair to help control frizz and add light moisturizer. Then I gently detangle using a Bristle paddle brush to smooth the hair. Next, I divide my hair into 4 sections, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Starting with the top section, I secure a socks at the crown using a clip and begin wrapping the hair around it. A common mistake here is wrapping too loosely or leaving gap. This creates uneven hair curls. Instead, wrap the hair tightly and close together for more defined results. Once the top section is wrapped, I secure it, then repeat the same process on the bottom section and the other side. After wrapping all sections, I leave the curls overnight. In the morning, when removing the socks, avoid pulling the hair out roughly. That can cause frizz and ruin the hair curl pattern. Instead, gently slide the socks down and unwrap the hair carefully. I take 1 pump of serum and apply it from mid-length to ends for the smoothness and shine. Then I separate curls gently using my fingers, no brushing. And you can see how bouncy look. And this is the final result, defined smooth heatless curls. Thank you for watching.